Ready now? Oh, okay. Please don't rain, especially on a parade. The gay one. We're going to the gay parade.
Don't push me. Come on, Laura, we have to dance. Do our little hooky hooky.
Oh, I thought that I was going to go.
No. Ready? Go, go, go. Ready? Come on. Come down.
Why is he peeing?
Please come down. Okay. Anyways, here we go. We're going to try this. I just felt a sprinkle. This is when you really don't want to dance, but you do want to dance. You're outside.
No, I'm hoping it doesn't rain.
Ready, go. Let's slow down.
What's up?
So, anyways, this is pretty much, well, we're at my house, obviously. Acting really stupid. I don't even know what to say.
What's up, Detroit?
Okay, that was funny as hell. Ready, go.
She grabbed my tits.
Yes,
Boat rain drop.
Go.
And she spanked me. Oh, sorry.
Okay.
I hurt her. Hi, Detroit. Here's my stomach.
Let's see. Ooh. Hey, you're blind.
Yeah.
Hey.
She's pointing it all out. We're up to almost 3 minutes. Really hippie. It's awesome. Mike's gonna pull into the driveway.
No, he can't be home until 10.
Whoa, look at the clouds over here. They're looking dark.
Check the clouds. Ooh, that one looks good. That's my house. That's my new grill.
That's my ass.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
What if I could do a cartwheel without my boobs popping out?
Let me see if I can try and do it. We're gonna try and do a cartwheel. I haven't done it in years. My boobs will pop out. Okay. Oh, I did
Wait, do it again.
5 points.
Wait, do it again. I missed it. Woohoo! Catch my 10. Let's see if I can do this. I hope it works, but I'm not really sure if it's gonna work up here. So,
I'll be able to see.
I hope. I can see you. Hopefully it doesn't.
You see me now?
Okay, Laura, I need you to take these. Hi. Who knew that I would kick your ass one of these days? Let's try it. Ready? Watch out. Ready?
Come to me, darling.
Come to you.
Come to me.
I can come, alright? haven't seen us when we're drunk yet.
Oh no.
Well, technically
This
we
is
have.
basically
If you go on YouTube though.
This is basically us when we're drunk.
Hello. Who's squeak? See, we're wrestling. Ready? Let's go.
We're gonna wrestle. Oh boy. Okay.
All right.
Laura's outtake. Take one. Go. I'm playing in the streets.
Excuse me, you're supposed to do sumo wrestling?
Pick up your phone.
Come here.
Darling.
Yes.
Yes.
My love. My love.
Woof.
Here, darling. Will you marry me? Why are you laughing?
I'm just the happiest girl ever.
No. Will you marry me?
Okay.
Okay, here's my ring for you.
Thank you.
We're engaged now.
Now I have 2 fiancés.
We're lesbians. You're my friend. Hello.
Ow! The wood hurt me. I'm okay. She's doing something to my arm.
Oh, you changed it. You're
Oh!
supposed to go this way.
Oh, I'm stepping in water.